Here's the front of the car, and what we need to do is take out these plastic rivets, screws, not sure what to call them. There's one here, and it looks like it divides into two. So we're gonna pull this off. So the two rivets that go here, I'm gonna call them rivets. Once you take those out, go back here and then gently with your fingers pull up. There's two clips that I felt that were in the way, and then gently, oh, there we go. There's one, there's two, there's four of them. So just by hand, gently pull them up and then separate this piece and take it out. The other thing I found helpful was moving the windshield wipers up. So I basically turned the ignition on, turned on the windshield wipers, and then killed it in the middle. It makes it a lot easier to get this plastic piece out. So where we are working is going to be in this area. It's right under the windshield, right in this corner behind the battery. Once you guys take everything apart, you will need to lift this portion and then with the back of your hand kind of push it out and then pull, oops, and then pull the filter out. This is your cabin air filter. And because I had the water issue, it is soaked and it is unbelievably filthy. This is a very gross filter. There we go, there's that. Here's the new filter. It's a Fram CF 10370. And I paid $20 plus tax for this. All right, with the new filter in, let's install it. And again, I drop it. But to be fair, guys, I'm doing this with one hand. With two hands, it took all of 4 seconds. But that's how you do it. Now we just get to put everything back together. Got the plastic cover on. There we go. You could do these by hand. They're plastic. There you go. And the next one, and that's it, guys. Cabin air filter has been replaced. Super easy job. The filter was a little bit spendy. It was 20 bucks plus tax, like I already said. But the job itself was super easy and took, I don't know, 3-4 minutes, if that. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys found this was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.